Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save game progress on Wordscapes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can see Save Your Game Progress option. Tap on it. Now in order to save your game progress, you'll have to sign in with your Facebook account. So tap on Sign in with Facebook option. And if you're sure, tap on Sign in option. Now click on the Continue button. And that is how you can save game progress on Wordscapes. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.